Good morning. Today I will teach you a new topic that is called section and development. This is question paper December 2019. Question number is actually 5, module 3. This is actually a square prism. Dimensions given, side is 40 mm and height is 60 mm. It is actually resting in HP such that one of the vertical face makes an angle of 30 degree with VP, and a section plane means cutting plane, the plane used to cut the object, that is called section plane. And this section plane is actually 90 perpendicular to VP and 45 degree to HP and passing through the axis at a point 20 mm from the top end, cuts the prism. With the help of this section plane, the dimensions are 45 degree to HP and 20 mm from the top, cuts the prism. So our aim is to draw the front view of the square prism. Then sectional top view. Sectional top view means in the top view it consists of the section. Section means the cut part, cut area, that is called a section. Sectional top view and the actual shape of the section. Okay, I will show you the 3D. See, this is the this is the square prism. You can see this is the square prism and the name of the top face is PQRS. You can see this PQRS is the top face and the bottom face is ABCD. Okay, and this square prism is this top portion. This is the top portion of the square prism and this is the bottom portion of the square prism. Then a cutting plane, it is I will show you a work plane here. See, this is you can see this is the cutting plane. With the help of this cutting plane makes an angle of, this inclination is 45 degree to HP. So this is HP and this inclination is 45 degree. Cutting plane is 45 degree and it passes through the axis at a point 20 mm from the top end. See, this is the top end. This top line is the top end. From top end on the axis mark a point at a distance of 20 mm. Okay, so this, then through that point draw a line. This line represents the cutting plane. I will show you the 3D. You can see this is the cutting plane. Then the top portion of the cutting plane is actually removed. Okay, so this area, this 1 2 3 4, okay, this area is called a section. This area is called a section. Okay, I will show you the I will show you that section with a different color. Okay, section, this you can see 1 2 3 4 5. This is the, okay, you can see this this 1 2 3 4 5. This is actually the section. Okay, our aim is to draw the front view. Front view is actually like a rectangle and this portion is actually removed. Then what is the top view? Top view is like this. Okay, top view is like this. Top view is like this. This portion is called a section. And in the top view, this top view consists of this section, so this is called a sectional top view. And the shape of this sectional top view is actually apparent shape. That means this is a reduced shape. So we have to draw the true shape. That is the third one. Draw the true shape of the section. See, I will show you the, see, you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 is the actual shape of the section, but in the top view you can see this size is actually reduced. That means this is apparent shape. This is not the true shape of the section. So we have to draw this 1 2 3 4 5, that is the actual shape or the true shape. Okay, so is it clear? So what is our aim is to draw the front view of the square prism. Then sectional top view. What is sectional top view? Sectional top view means the top view consists of this is the sectional top view. This is the section and this is the top view. The top view consists of the section, so this is called a sectional top view. And finally the true shape of the section. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5, this is the true shape. Okay, three things. Okay, so I will take the drawing. Okay, so I will NCMWG create. Okay, I will take the drawing sheet, then I will draw the top view, front view and the true shape of the section. Okay, so first I will draw the XY line. Okay, so this is the XY line. XY line. Then okay, then draw the top view. See, top view is actually a square. Okay, and the speciality of this square is one face makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So this angle is 30 degree, or this angle, you can take this vertical face or this vertical face, makes an angle of 30 degree with the VP. And the side of this square is actually 40 mm, and this another side, this side is actually 40 mm. Okay, so then name this the name of the top face I already mentioned, P. So P is visible, A is invisible. So P bar A. Then this is Q is visible, B is in, because B is the bottom point in the top view. Then this is R. So R is visible, D is invisible. And this is S is visible, D is invisible. Okay, so this is the top view. Okay, I will dark this using you have to dark this using H pencil. Okay, then I will project all these points to draw the front view. Okay, so what is the height of this object? So height of this square prism is actually 60 mm. So I will enter the value here, 60 mm. So this is actually 60 mm. Okay, then I will, from this line, then from this point. Okay, so I will complete a rectangle. Okay, then I will extend all these lines to here. Okay, so you will get the rectangle, okay, of height 60 mm. Then I will name all these. First of all, I will dark the outer edges. This edge is actually visible from the front view. You can see this edge is actually, this name of this edge is QB, and this QB is visible from the front view, but this SD is in the back side when you look from the front. Okay, so this edge is actually dotted line. That means that is invisible. Okay, then I will name, this is P dash. This is the top face, this is P dash, then this point is Q dash, then the next point is, this is S dash, and finally this point is R dash. This point is R dash. Okay, then the bottom points, base A dash, this is A dash, then this is B dash, and this is D dash, and finally this point is C dash. C dash. This point is C dash. Okay, then I will draw the diagonal in the top view. What is the purpose of that? To find the axis line, to mark the center. Okay, so this point is the, draw a line. This is actually the, this is the axis line. So draw this line as a chain line. Okay, then I will introduce the cutting plane. So where is the position of the cutting plane? On the axis line. On the axis line at a point 20 mm from the top end. Okay, so from top end I will mark a point on the axis, that is 20 mm. Then I will draw a line such that what is the inclination of this line? This line is actually 45 degree to the HP. Okay, then I will extend this line. Okay, so this line is the cutting plane. Okay, this line represents the cutting plane. Okay, so above portion of this object, or above portion of the cutting plane, is actually removed. So I will decrease the thickness because that portion is not there. Okay, so remove decrease the thickness of this, decrease the thickness. Decrease the thickness. Okay, then I will dark the section portion. Okay, so this is the final front view. You can see this is the final, because this portion is actually removed with the help of this cutting plane. Then the next step is mark cutting point. So here the cutting plane cut one edge, so name this as cutting point 1 dash. Okay, then the next point is this is the another the section, the cutting plane cuts another edge, so name this as 2 dash. Okay, and here the cutting plane, the edge SD is actually not visible from the in the front view, so don't mark point. What is the next visible edge? Next visible edge is actually, so here this top portion. So top portion, front side and back side. Okay, so front side is one is QR, then another is RS. So here QR is visible. Okay, so you will mark point here, 3 dash here, 3 dash here, so 3 dash comma. Then so visible edges are completed. Then the next invisible edge, mark here 4 dash. Okay, so 3 dash and 4. So here two cutting points, because one edge is QR, another edge is RS. So QR is the front side edge and RS is the back side edge. Okay, then here mark here, this point is 5 dash. Okay, this point is 5 dash. Okay, then you will transfer all these points. So one is on AP, so mark here. So here you will mark here 1. Then 2 is on BQ, so mark here 2. Then where is 3 and 4? So project 3 and 4. So project this 3 and 4 to the top view. Okay, so 3 is on QR front side and 4 is on RS. and finally 5 is on SD, so SD here 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, then join 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that represents the section. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4 5 represents the section, but this section is the apparent section. Okay, so for identifying this section, you have to draw hatching lines, 45-degree inclined lines inside this 1 2 3 4 5 only, not here. 3 this 3 are 4, not here, only this sectioned portion 1 2 3 4 5 you have to draw 45-degree inclined lines. So that is the that is called the section. Okay, then this is the apparent section. Okay, then you have the actual shape. Okay, so you have to draw a new line, that this line is actually parallel to the cutting plane. Okay, you can take this distance as any convenient distance. Okay, then draw perpendicular lines from all the cutting points, 1 2, then next point is actually 5, then next point is 3 and 4. Okay, then this angle is 90 degree. Okay, that's very important. Okay, measure the distance of 1 from XY line to AP. So this distance is 38.228. so mark here from this point to here 38.28. Okay, then next is what is the distance of 2 from XY line? So that is 72.869. so mark here this 2 here 72.869. Okay, first of all I will mark here. Okay, so 72.869, this is 72.869. Okay, so name this point as, this is 1. Okay, then this point is actually 2. This point is actually 2. Okay, then next is 3. so this 3 is 56.85. okay, this inclination is 90 degree, that's very important. Okay, so this inclination is 90 degree. Okay, so 3 the distance is 56.85. 56.85. Okay, okay, so 56.85, and name this point as 3. Name this point as 3. Okay, then the next point is 4. What is the 4? This from XY line to 4, this distance is 40.925. 40.925. Okay, so name this point as 4. Name this point as 4. Then last point 5. From XY line to 5, this distance is 18.228. this angle is actually 90 degree. 18.228. 18.228. Okay, so name this point as 5. Okay, then join this 1 2, then 2 3, then 3 4 4 5 5 1. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4 5 is the section. You just dark this using H pencil. And draw 45 degree inclined lines, because that represents the hatching. Okay, hatch region. So this is the so this is the top view, sectional top view. This is the front view, and this is the true shape of the section. So you have to complete this.